What's up everybody, in this video I'm going to show you 4 free mint NFT projects. But before I'm going to show you the project, I need to state something, that this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing any money into NFTs. And also, if you can follow me on my Twitter, I would really appreciate. So first project, it's called 𝕲𝖔𝖇𝖑𝖆𝖉𝖉𝖎𝖓𝑙𝖙𝖋, and it's a free mint, 4,444 supply, date to be determined, 𝖬𝖓𝖙 retweet, and hopefully you can get yourself whitelist spot. And this is a brand new project. I'm not sure how well it's gonna do. It's just another goblin or a copy of goblin. According to their tweet, it looks like pixelated Aladdin or Galadin or whatever it is flying on a carpet. So this is one of the projects that I'm gonna keep an eye on. Second project, it's called Moonfish. So Moonfish already has 68,000 followers, so it's already pretty high project, and it's not entire supply is going to be free. So supply is 5,555, and the free mint it's only going to be 1,300 NFTs, and the rest of them it's going to be 0.0068 of Ethereum, so it's not even a whole percent. So this is a pretty high project. If we scroll down, as you can see, they're doing giveaways and they're getting decent interaction. Like for example, this was posted 1 hour ago. They already have 200 likes, 185 retweets, and 182 comments. And then if we scroll down more, like this one was only 2 hours ago, and they're giving away 5 fish list or whitelist spots, and it has already 500 likes, 469 retweets. So it's getting quite a bit of interaction, and hopefully this is going to be a decent project to flip, make a little money on it. Next project, it's called HawaOrigin, free mint, very early project. They only have 3,000 followers, so there's not a whole lot about this project. This collection is going to be by this author right here, and then they have 2 collab managers. And if we scroll down, this is one of their posts 23 hours ago, and looks like this is for whitelist spot. They're not getting a whole lot of interaction because this project is so new and it's at early stage, so I think it's not going to be hard to get a whitelist spot for this project. And the last project, it's called 𝕲𝖃𝑔𝖃𝖓𝖃, free mint. So this looks like brand new project powered by 𝕲𝑃 Alpha NFT. So this is Alpha Group, looks like they're creating this project. There is none, I don't see any tweets from this project yet, but they already have 1,600 followers and they just joined in July, so it's a very new project. But they have a premium link, so if you press on it, and you can register for a chance to win a free mint whitelist spot. And this is pretty much it. All the projects that I talk about in this video, I'm gonna leave links in the description below. And if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.